Friendship Bracelets app customized beats meet Swifties. Friendship Bracelets app approved by Swifties. Craft together swiftly. Share your creations. Personalize your bracelets. Join the community. So make the friendship bracelet. Take the moment and taste it. We don't want the moment to ever end, so we made an app to make friendship bracelets and make new friends. Join the social network where friends make the best memories together through trading friendship bracelets. Make friendship bracelets with our unique creation tool. You can use letters in all colors, change backgrounds, and add unique shapes to your bracelets. So here you have the idea, and then you can just tap get, double click to install it. And so let's just open it up. Friendship bracelet for everyone in your pocket. Then you can just tap to continue. And then let's just sign in. And then already taken. Add your profile pic. So whatever, I just want to show you. And collect it now. Make a bracelet. And that's how you do it. Then you have it in here. Then you can see the details. You can also delete an account, link social, pretty cool. Then you can also trade and you'll receive this. So that's kind of the app. So that's kind of the app that you're just creating this stuff together. And then this is your bracelet, which you can remove. And then you can add a background, I guess. You can add different colors. There are some premium stuff. And yeah, pretty cool. I don't know whether you can order those. And then you can just have like a background, which is also a premium feature. So yeah, that's the idea.